Hey everyone! If you've ever wondered how to create your own Telegram bot without any coding, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a couple of minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram and search for Botfather. First, open your Telegram app. In the search bar at the top, type Botfather and look for the Botfather bot. Once you find it, click on the Botfather to start a chat with it. Step 2. Create a new bot. Botfather offers a list of commands, but we want to create a new bot. So type /newbot and send it. Now you'll be prompted to choose a name for your bot. Let's give our bot a name. After naming your bot, you'll need to choose a unique username for your bot. This username must end with bot. Let's create a unique username. Great, your bot is created. You'll receive a confirmation message with your bot's username. Your bot is ready. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Telegram bot. You can now use it for various purposes, including automation and interaction with users. That's it for this tutorial on how to create a Telegram bot in just a couple of minutes. It's a straightforward process that opens up endless possibilities for your Telegram experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials.